Hey guys, so if you've been following my build, you would know what's going on. I've been restoring my 1993 Nissan 240SX hatchback. Been spending the last 35-40 hours removing all the undercoating. That doesn't include rust repairs, surface rust, or anything that needs attention. I'm at the stage now where I can start spraying some new stuff on the vehicle. So I'm going to start with the frame rails and rocker guard, and I'll show you what kind of product I'll be using. Apparently it has really good reviews, so hopefully it does what it does. So this is the product I'll be using. It's called Eastwood Internal Frame Coating. They come in black or green, and there's a tube here that you're supposed to feed through the frame, and you spray it and you slowly pull it out. And what it does is it has this tip and allows it to spray 360-degree all around, and one coat's all you need. Whatever is inside here is definitely old and it's not doing its job, so you want to put some protection in there, you know, protect it from any moisture, oxygen that causes rust. So I'll definitely use these because, you know, you do all this work, you don't want it to go to waste, right? So might as well spend a couple of bucks, protect your investment, and we'll give it a shot. So what you're going to want to do next is use this blower and basically blow any debris or dust inside these frame rails, and you want to blow it out so it's not in the way of your frame coating. I believe somewhere along here there's a cutoff, maybe somewhere like that, so you want to blow whatever here out that direction, and then from here we're going to blow all this out through here one direction and go right through out the back here. There's also these frame rails here. Just gonna try to blow it out. There's not much of an exit except for a tiny hole here, so we'll try to get it out of there. And down here there's a small section for the subframe, which we'll blow that out and whatever can come out. Oh! The shit It's fucking nasty, yo. As you can see there, yeah, there's green, black. It's all inside internal, so it doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe it all down with paint thinner and clean it up, get it ready for epoxy primer. But yeah, all you can do really is spray and pray. Make sure you cover everything, especially where there's gonna be water sitting around inside the frame. Really messy job. Don't expect anything pretty when you're doing this, man. Fucking, like, I had to shoot in my face, so I threw on a face shield. Cause like I'm pulling it out and it's just shooting like crazy. So yeah, it's hard to get off your skin once it's dry, so make sure you wear some PPE. There we go, that's it for today, man. Have fun.